Yo, what's up, my funnel cakes? It is me, Sweet Cheese, here, back today with another vlog, and it is really early in the morning. It is like 6 o'clock or something, and look what popped up on my doorstep. What? What is this? A box that literally says YouTube. Here, I'll show you. Literally, it says YouTube. What is this? USA. I can't read that. Oh, alright. But literally, it says YouTube. What is this? Oh man. It's got tape on it. Alright, so I'm going to show you a little bit of a clip of when I found this and how. Yeah. So there you have it. That is a little clip of me getting the YouTube package. I have no idea what's in it, guys. And also I did transfer rooms. The room that I was just in is right here. But I decided to move because of games. Yeah. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. But seriously, it is like legit 6 o'clock. And let's get this YouTube package opened up. I'm gonna get it to where you can see my phone. Alright dudes, I'm back. And we have the YouTube box here, and I'm gonna use this to cut open the tape because there is tape around here and here and also right there. So just take a moment to look at this box. This is a nice box. Alright, now let's get this thing opened. Get this to open there. There we go. That was easy. It's also very easy. Jeez, I can't believe YouTube literally ships your stuff in their own box. And look at that, I just broke the box. Dang. Alright. Yeah, I know. Guys, usually YouTube owned stuff is in like a black box, so I don't know what this is. I know it's YouTube because it has YouTube on the front of it. Right here. So it's definitely YouTube, but what could it be? I hear something going around in there. Come on, get this open. Get it open. Well, guys, I think we might actually have to rip the box. Because that does not want to come out. Oh, dang it. Alright. Right, and yes. Alright. Here we go, guys. We are about to open this thing. On camera, let's see, what is it? Oh. It's a bunch of paper, but there could be something underneath the paper. Let's see. What is this? Yo, dude, what is this? Oh. Guys, do you see this? What does this say? Wait a minute. You got 10 subs from YouTube. This, guys, this is legit. It says you got 10 subs from YouTube for Sweet Cheese. And there's boy everywhere. guys. Yo, dude, could this be the ultimately rare 10 subs cardboard play button? Oh, dude. Literally only 3 people in all of YouTube. Actually, no, I think it's like, 2 people every year get this. Only 2 new starting channels every year. And I think they started this year, so guys, I'm literally one of the first people to get whatever is under here. Well, if it's what I think it is. Oh, okay, so there's tape here. Just peel this tape off and guys, it is the rare cardboard play button. I am one of the first people to get this. Oh my gosh. Congratulations for surpassing 10 subscribers. Sweet cheese, look at this. This is legit. Congratulations for surpassing 10 subscribers. And then if you look right down there, it says sweet cheese, YouTube. Oh dang, that's a nice play button. And guys, this is so rare. You don't understand. Like, just take a moment to like get this in. Hold on, I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh. Dude, literally, it is legit. It is legit. Oh man. Guys, it's crazy. I can't believe I got that. Dang. Yo, dudes. Alright, I'm back here. I hope you all enjoyed that little skit that I pulled off. Wasn't the best of all, but I did make a DIY cardboard play button for 10 subscribers. No, I did not make a video on me making it, which sucks. But yeah, this was really fun to record. And I hope you all enjoyed it. If you would like to see more videos like these, drop a like, drop a comment down below. And also, always remember, subscribe for more cheesy content, and stay cheesy, my bros. Peace! Woo!